In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit an expense in Expensify. Whether you're new to using this app or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you understand the process fully and can confidently manage your expenses with ease. First, let's begin our journey by creating the expense itself. Open the Expensify app and direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you will find a green Create button. Give it a tap. This will present you with a couple of options, and you'll want to select Create Expense. This is the initial phase where a draft report will open up for you, giving you the foundation to build and track your financial submissions effectively. Now that we have the draft report ready, it's time to add your expenses. Look for an option that says Add Expense and tap it. Here, you have a choice to make. You can create a new expense or add an unreported one. If you're going the first route of creating a new expense, you'll need to enter a few specifics. Type in the amount spent, the merchant where the purchase was made, and finally, the category it fits into, which could be anything from travel, meals, to office supplies, whatever accurately describes your expense. Make sure you fill out these details correctly, as they are crucial for accurate expense tracking and reporting. Alternatively, if you have expenses that you've incurred but have not yet reported, select Add Unreported Expense. This will allow you to sift through the existing entries you've documented in Expensify and attach them to this report seamlessly. With at least one expense added to your report, you're now ready to submit. Once the report contains all the necessary expense entries, keep an eye out for the Submit button, which should appear. Before you proceed, double-check to ensure that every detail is accurate and complete. Once you're confident that everything is in order, go ahead and tap Submit. After you click Submit, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your expense has been successfully submitted. This serves as your assurance that the process was completed without a hitch. Now all that's left for you to do is sit back and wait for approval. Remember, having your expenses in order is crucial for smooth business operations, reimbursement, and record keeping. And there you have it. Submitting an expense in Expensify doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, you can tackle your expenses confidently and keep your financials well organized. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another helpful video. See you next time.